Number 8.
E-Hang Firefighting Multicopter. Imagine a raging fire, 50 stories up in a skyscraper, completely out of reach for traditional firefighters. Every second counts, lives hang in the balance. This is precisely where our first incredible invention swoops in, defying both gravity and extreme danger. This is the E-Hang Firefighting Multicopter. It's a drone, and it's a massive autonomous flying firefighter capable of airlifting over 300 pounds of essential equipment directly into the heart of an inferno. But here's the real kicker. It doesn't just carry hoses and extinguishers. It becomes a flying fire cannon, unleashing powerful jets of water right onto the flames while hovering with incredible precision. This Chinese marvel has already proven itself in real-world scenarios, extinguishing fires that would have taken conventional methods hours to even begin to control. And what truly blows my mind? Its autonomous navigation system allows it to operate even in zero visibility, a feat utterly impossible for human-piloted helicopters. Plus, it can be deployed from the moment an alert sounds in under 3 minutes, literally saving precious lives while human teams are still gearing up. The big question isn't if this will revolutionize emergency response, but when we'll start seeing these incredible machines patrolling the skies above our own cities. Number 7. The Icon Vulcan 2 Printer. What if I told you that you could print an entire, fully functional house in less than 24 hours? Sounds like something straight out of a futuristic dream, right? Well, the American company Icon is making that dream a tangible reality with their groundbreaking Vulcan 2 3D printer. This is some small-scale gadget and monumental technological beast that's not printing little plastic toys but robust habitable concrete structures, layer by meticulous layer, with millimeter-perfect precision. The Vulcan 2 is absolutely disrupting the construction industry in ways few ever thought possible. It completely bypasses weeks, even months, of manual labor, slashes waste by a staggering 95%, and most importantly, it makes building high-quality, affordable housing a lightning-fast reality. They've already built entire communities in Texas, and get this, NASA is actually considering using this technology to construct shelters on the moon. Yes, you heard that right, the moon. This invention isn't just tackling the global housing crisis here on Earth. It's literally laying the groundwork for space colonization. What's even more fascinating is that its designs aren't limited by traditional architectural constraints. We're seeing houses with incredible curved shapes, organic structures, and complex geometries that would be impossible with conventional building methods. We are witnessing a seismic shift where the homes of the future might just grow out of the ground in a matter of hours. Absolutely incredible. Number 6. The Guardian Exo. Let's talk about something that will make you feel like you just stepped into an action movie. Remember those films where soldiers wore futuristic exoskeletons, instantly transforming them into super strong heroes? Well, Sarcos Robotics has taken that incredible fantasy and forged it into a powerful reality with the Guardian Exo. This isn't just a fancy suit, it's a motorized industrial exoskeleton that empowers a human being to effortlessly lift and maneuver objects weighing over 200 pounds as if they were as light as feathers. No strain, no injuries, no limits. This robotic marvel runs on batteries that last for a solid 8 hours, and thanks to hyper-advanced sensors, it responds to every single movement of the user in real time. This means dock workers, warehouse staff, and maintenance technicians can perform tasks that once demanded entire teams or heavy machinery all by themselves, but the Guardian Exo represents something far deeper than just improved efficiency. We are talking about the democratization of superhuman strength. What's both thrilling and a little unsettling is how seamlessly it blurs the line between human and machine. While you wear it, your physical capabilities multiply exponentially without your body enduring any of the wear and tear. Leading automotive companies are already piloting it to drastically reduce workplace injuries, and the next steps feel inevitable. Military, rescue, and even medical versions that could usher in an era where physical weakness becomes, dare I say, optional. Prepare for a revolution in human capability. Number 5. Hover Surf. S3. Scorpion. Hold on to your hats because the moment many of us have been dreaming about for decades has finally arrived. Flying motorcycles are no longer confined to the pages of science fiction novels or the silver screen. Meet the Hover Surf S3. Scorpion designed in Russia a legitimate hoverbike that can lift you up to 30 feet off the ground and hit speeds of 60 miles per hour. Looking like it flew straight out of a Star Wars scene, this incredible vehicle is already being tested by police departments in Dubai. It operates with 4 powerful electric thrusters that generate controlled lift and stability, all managed by intelligent AI even in less than ideal conditions. What's truly groundbreaking is that the pilot doesn't even need an aviation license thanks to its semi-autonomous system that actively prevents dangerous maneuvers. This opens up a universe of possibilities. Imagine police patrols zipping to emergencies in mere seconds, completely bypassing gridlocked traffic, or personalized air ambulance services that can reach anyone, anywhere in record time. And here's the kicker, its price is plummeting rapidly. What started as a $500,000 prototype is now aiming for costs comparable to a high-end sports car. We are talking about completely transforming urban mobility into a three-dimensional experience. Congested streets could soon become a relic of the past as the sky becomes our new highway. The future of personal flight is here, and it's exhilarating. Number 4. The Ocean Cleanup Interceptor 006. Let's shift gears to a truly vital invention that's literally saving our planet. Our oceans are tragically drowning under the weight of 11 million tons of plastic pollution every single year, but Boyan Slat, a brilliant young Dutch inventor, refused to accept this grim fate. His incredible creation, the Interceptor 006, is a game-changer. It's an autonomous solar-powered vessel designed to trap plastic waste before it even reaches the open sea, operating directly in rivers. It works 24/7 without any human intervention, like a tireless robotic guardian of our waterways. This intelligent floating barrier can snatch up to 100 tons of waste per day from the world's most polluted river currents. It uses AI algorithms to constantly optimize its position based on currents and sophisticated sensors that can distinguish between harmful trash and precious aquatic wildlife. It's already hard at work in rivers across Indonesia, the Dominican Republic, and Jamaica, precisely where the largest volumes of plastic flow into our oceans. What's truly revolutionary isn't just the cutting-edge technology, but its brilliant implementation model. Each interceptor is funded by corporate sponsors, meaning it cleans rivers at absolutely no cost to local governments. This is a perfect example of how groundbreaking technological innovation and vital environmental responsibility can merge to create a powerful force for good. Imagine if just 100 of these were deployed globally, we could intercept a staggering 80% of all river plastic before it ever pollutes our oceans. 3. Zipline. P2. Zip. Imagine this. You hear a faint whirring sound outside. You look up and realize your urgent package just arrived, but it didn't crash land on your lawn. Instead, it was gently lowered right to your doorstep by a drone that never even touched the ground. That is the revolutionary idea behind the new Zipline P2 Zip. This is a precision delivery drone that lands without actually landing. Sounds contradictory, right? But what it does is utterly ingenious. This sleek device flies to your exact location, stops mid-air, and then gently lowers your package on a cable into an area as small as half a square meter. That means it can drop off your delivery right onto your balcony, your garden, or even a rooftop with incredible accuracy. With a range of 12 miles and the capacity to carry up to 6 pounds, the P2 Zip is completely reinventing last-mile logistics in ways that seemed like pure fantasy just a few years ago. Pharmacies sending urgent medications, restaurants delivering piping hot meals in minutes, hospitals receiving organs for transplant. The applications are literally endless. And the best part? It generates almost zero carbon emissions compared to traditional delivery vehicles. What's most astonishing is that Zipline is actively negotiating with major cities across the United States to replace entire fleets of delivery motorcycles. This leads us to envision a sky buzzing with these silent, efficient drones, delivering everything you need in minutes. Utopia or dystopia? You decide, but one thing's for sure, the future of instant delivery is no longer just on the horizon, it's officially here. Number 2. Boston Dynamics. Spot Arm. If you've ever seen those mesmerizing videos of incredibly agile robots walking and dancing, you're probably familiar with Spot, the famous robot dog from Boston Dynamics. But now Spot has been given a game-changing upgrade. a sophisticated robotic arm that transforms it into something far more incredible. This is a pet, and it's an autonomous industrial worker capable of opening doors, manipulating complex objects, turning valves, and pressing buttons, essentially interacting with infrastructure that was originally designed for humans, but in environments where humans shouldn't be. Spot, with its new arm, is already diligently inspecting nuclear power plants, oil platforms, and subway tunnels, all without risking a single human life in toxic or dangerously unstable environments. Its advanced 3D navigation system allows it to gracefully traverse terrains that would be impossible for wheeled robots. And what's truly mind-blowing is that its AI continuously learns from each mission, becoming more efficient and adept over time. Mining companies are already deploying it to explore unstable tunnels before sending in human workers, proving its invaluable worth in the most extreme situations. What's both captivating and a little unnerving is how this robot blurs the line between a mere tool and a true collaborator. It doesn't replace humans, it augments them, performing tasks that no human should have to do. However, it sparks an inevitable question. If a robot can walk like a dog, perceive its environment like a human, and perform tasks like an engineer, how long until they become an integral, common part of our everyday lives? The answer might be closer than you think. 1. Honda Uni-One. And claiming our #1 spot is a moment where personal transportation is completely reinvented. When you wake up tomorrow, will you still be driving a car? This is the Honda Uni-One, and forget everything you know about cars, bikes, or even scooters. It's a device so utterly new, it's revolutionary. This is a hands-free personal mobility device with a single omnidirectional wheel, controlled simply by the subtle shifts of your body weight. It looks like it just rolled off the set of a Black Mirror episode, but Honda has already begun its commercialization in Japan, set for September 2025. It's currently being piloted in bustling theme parks, expansive shopping centers, and vibrant entertainment venues. Weighing about 150 pounds and capable of carrying up to 240 pounds, this device glides along at nearly 4 miles per hour, all through intuitive body tilting. But here's the truly fascinating part. It features a seat that effortlessly raises and lowers. In the high position, the user is at eye level with a standing person, moving freely in all directions with both hands completely free. In the low position, it makes interaction with seated individuals or small children incredibly easy and natural. What's truly revolutionary isn't just the ingenious technology, but what it represents. It offers effortless mobility for individuals with reduced mobility, the elderly, and workers who cover vast distances on foot. The Uni-One isn't just a piece of tech, it's a completely new concept of what it means to move, offering freedom and accessibility. If this is just the beginning, what incredible innovations lie ahead for us? One thing is absolutely certain. The world is evolving faster than we can even process. Conclusion: there you have it. The 8 most revolutionary inventions that are not just shaping our world, but actively transforming it right now as we speak. From autonomous drones battling skyscraper fires and 3D printers conjuring houses from thin air, to super-strength exoskeletons, personal flying vehicles, ocean cleaning marvels, lightning-fast delivery drones, intelligent robotic companions, and personal mobility devices that redefine movement. Each of these innovations represents an extraordinary leap forward into a future we're only just beginning to imagine. It's truly incredible to think about how far humanity has come, and these technologies are a testament to our endless ingenuity and relentless drive to innovate. We are living in an age where the impossible is becoming commonplace, and the boundaries of what's possible are being shattered every single day.